Okay, so welcome, and today we're going to talk about graphing an equation by point plotting. And so these are the steps that you need to go through to sketch the graph of an equation using this method. Okay, so it's very straightforward. So the first step, you're going to want to find the intercepts. So you're going to want to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept for the equation. Okay. So the x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. The y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. So again, you're going to want to find those. Those are the step number one. Okay. Step number two, then you want to find as many additional points as needed. Okay. That might be one or two. That might be 3 points. Okay. So again, that's why it depends on what you're graphing. Okay, will dictate how many points. You may not need any additional points, okay, but you may need some. So for example, if you're graphing a straight line, you only need 2 points. So if you find the two intercepts, then you don't need an additional point. But if you're graphing something that has a curve to it, like a parabola or like a quadratic, then you are going to need more than just a couple of points to get a good picture of what it looks like, okay? Then, well, actually, an accurate graph, in other words. And then step 3 is once you have your points, okay, then you plot the ordered pairs from 1 and 2 on the Cartesian plane, on the rectangular coordinate plane. And so you're going to have that, the dots on the plane, and then once you have your dots, then the final step is just join the points with a nice smooth curve. Not straight lines, unless it's a linear curve. But if it's not, you want a nice smooth curve. Okay? Even if it's a line, obviously you don't want it to be jagged and stuff like that. So again, keep that in mind. But these are the steps if you're going to use graphing equations by point plotting. So next time we'll do some examples and we'll go on from there.